Hello everyone, my name is Pravesh Sudha and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into Kestra, a powerful workflow orchestration tool. So I'll walk you through what is Kestra and how it works. We'll run Kestra locally using Docker. We'll create a test workflow and I'll also share my open source contribution to Kestra. So if you are into DevOps, automation or open source, this video is for you. So let's get started. So you might be wondering what is Kestra? So Castra is an open source workflow orchestration tool. It is similar to Apache Airflow but with a YAML based approach, which makes it easier to define and manage workflow. So why we use Castra? So Castra has a declarative YAML workflow which make it very simple and powerful. It has an event driven execution, which means we can set up triggers for our workflow. It supports multiple data sources, which include database, API and much more. It scales up easily, which is very great for cloud native environment. In short, Kestra help automate tasks in a reliable, scalable way. So now let's run Kestra locally using Docker. It's super easy. Just we need to go to the get started column and we need to copy this command and just run it inside our terminal. So let's paste it here. Oh, I think. Okay. So we are downloading the latest Kestra image. It is of 1.67 GB. So let's wait for that. So now our Kestra Docker container is running under port 8080. So let's go to localhost port 8080 and access Kestra's UI. So here we have Kestra UI, simple and clean. Let's create our first workflow. So this is the basic workflow. We're just gonna change the message from hello Kestra to hello Kestra from hello world. Let's save it and execute. So when we run this workflow, it simply prints hello Kestra. So this is just the beginning. Okay, you can see that where we have hello Kestra. So this is just the beginning. Kestra support complex workflow, integration and automation. So I also contributed to Kestra's open source project. So my contribution were about basic front end changes. So here I have the two PR that got merged. So the first issue is regarding reviewing the color in the pagination file. So I just basically changed some text color like the KS content secondary and added a logic for hover and activation of the button. So the second issue is about I added a Kestra filter to flow trigger dude view file. So how I did that, I just go to the flow metrics.view file because the metrics tab have the Kestra filter. So I get the gist of the Kestra filter from that. So after that I just added the Kestra filter in the flow trigger.view file and the rest and I removed the refresh button because the Kestra filter include the refresh button. And these changes are done by Milos because I was unable to understand the logic behind why the search queries are not working. So Milos did these changes and he called them minor tweaks. So that was very great. So contributing to open source is a great way to learn and grow. Support the community. If you are interested, you can check out Kestra's GitHub repo. Make sure to start this repo, create your own fork, and it is very beginner friendly for contribution. So that's Kestra, a powerful workflow orchestration tool that make automation easier and accessible. And to my owner, Kestra has also published my blog. Like I created a blog regarding the contribution. So if you go to Kestra's community news, you can see that they have featured my blog here. So here is the blog in which I tell all the changes, like how I run the Kestra locally, my first issue, like what was the issue about and how did I change it. So yeah, that's it. So if you found this useful, like, share, subscribe for more DevOps and cloud related content. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.